how to use language translator or Google AI. If you go your, then here you can see interpreter live translator for your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. How to enable this option? Go your this option, then here you can see the option, just enable those option. Once you enable there, here you can see the language, so you have to download some language, so which you want to prefer. For example, I want to translate English to Indonesia, then select your language. Now if you go to your apps and type, then here you can see the apps. Now if you say something, how are you today, then here you can see, hi, how are you, then you can see the it's translating. So another way you can use this AI, if you make any call, let's make a call to my phone. When you make a call, then you can see the Google Assistant live translate. Now let's receive the call, and if you press on this icon, then go the live translator. Then here you can see, let's mute this first, then go to live translator, then select your language. Then for example, hi, how are you, hi, how are you. As you can see, it's now translating, so it has some pronunciation problem, but if you consider it, you can use properly this great feature for Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So that's it. This is how you can easily use. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Happy good day.